So I've been always wanting this, especially for my creation as a small business owner, and of course to play with because it's also like a toy. I never got the chance to, but I found it and I was so excited to get it. It's a drone, guys. My content creation game is about to go up. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, it's well packaged. I picked the gold color. Can you see it? Because I'm a good gainer. What do you think? This is how it's boxed. It's really good for travel. Like it's already boxed. You can even hold it like this. Ain't that cute? Ain't that cute? Okay, let's open this bad boy up. Well compact from the inside. I honestly do not know how to work it yet. I've been watching videos on how to, but I couldn't wait to kind of like just open it up and show you guys. It's looking very sturdy. There are some drones that we've tried a drone before that broke really easily. This is looking way more steadier. This is the control. This control you can also attach your phone to it and then control the drone so you can take videos from up there. Here is, I think they have extra propellers, and this might be for the charger. But all in all, and of course, I'm going to have to read the instructions, right? Or better still, watch a video. Okay, so they have like a scan where I can scan to watch a video on how to use it. Well, I'm super excited to use it and I can't wait to show you. I cannot wait to show you the products, the videos that I come up with this drawn. And this video was sponsored by Scott, the owners of this drawn. And I can't wait to start using it.